How to install the Nano CLI editor on Windows 10? Didn't DOS used to have an edit or something? I'm used to Nano, like Nano, and want to use Nano. Does it install on Windows 10? This URL. The download brought me to some spam, and this generally seems like a good way to get a virus. Going to the website for Nano. This URL. At least, am not seeing a download link for Windows. I'm using a Surface 3, regular, not Pro, which runs Windows 10, for what it's worth. Seems that the download link to something doesn't work. This URL.
Install Chocolatey using PowerShell. See also chocolatey.org for more info. Run Choco install Y nano, run nano, nano.
In 2022 you can just easily install Nano via Wingit, which is Windows Package Manager. Open command prompt as admin and type this in.
I highly recommend installing Windows Subsystem for Linux, rather than install individual Linux tools in the Windows command line. Seeing as you are already on Windows 10, this shouldn't be a problem. See the above link for instructions. But at a high level 1, enable WSL through a PowerShell command 2. Install Debian or Ubuntu from the Microsoft Store 3. Launch Debian/Ubuntu from the Start menu 4. Run sudo apt install nano if it is not installed by default. If you combine WSL with the new Microsoft terminal, I think you'll find it works much better than most of the older emulated terminals like Cygwin, Sturm, etc. But if for some reason you can't install WSL, then Cygwin is the next best thing. It does not have a package repository, so you have to select Nano during installation as one of the optional components.
So, this is what I did to use Nano via CMD. You'll find nano.exe and git /user/bin. You'll need to have git installed, and you most likely will have. For me, the absolute path is c:/git/user/bin. Just add it to path variable. Then, you'll be able to call Nano from anywhere via CMD. This way you won't have to scour the internet looking for nano.exe.